Industry came to the college and said, we really need to get two-year engineers, designers in this community. We wanted to design something that didn't just focus on CNC or PLC or programming, but to focus on building of a creative mind.
This facility is intended to train people in advanced manufacturing, CNC machining, rapid prototyping, and robotics or mechatronics. In the design lab, we have 20 workstations that are equipped with SolidWorks software. That's a solid modeling software that allows you to build models of mechanical parts. We have the ability to go on and do rapid prototyping with our Stratasys so that you can print complete assemblies.
One of the first things any industry asks if they're looking to locate is, do you have the workforce and do you have the training available?
We're building a custom product and we've struggled finding enough people to do design engineering. We've seen a large number of our own employees able to come over here, take classes while they're working. It's really been a win-win. 10 engineering positions we filled, probably 8 of those came from people off our floor that have pursued a degree and come directly through this program.
We've had large expansions in some of our manufacturers here in the community. They are taking their employees and getting them going through the program, and then when the students are finished, they're promoting them up into design work.
One of the biggest impacts I see from the Anspach Advanced Manufacturing School is the opportunity for our young people to learn a skill set that will help them earn a good wage and be able to live in the community.
The Applied Engineering Technology degree was exactly in my field. I have benefited so much from getting this degree here at Mayland. It improved my life personally and professionally.